Ebusiafo mo bibi akwaba eduba always multimedia. So we share a current situation a so our Greater Accra region and the nyina yenim near 2 year every Sunday no na issue no start our Greater Accra has issue no toya ma adechi ama Monday and also etiemu saa my student upon stop here area 3 o'clock. Na yenya nim say recent is a issue to Greater Accra na flood no anu abayedi. Na we share say na kronum betimi aka say most of the places I want Accra ni nyina de ohon nyina ayema ohon nyina yeden ayema issue na yirafa bibi bia Greater Accra hase. And I bisa say anye bia wine fort mining fort and answer mpanyufo ni fort because say see the blame no my president nyina ka ho and everything that happens no we try to put the blame on the president or we try to keep politics. Let us put politics aside. Now go with the facts. Share problem no yen the citizen na yawo omine because ye complaining say ye ni gata say aban no eboa na obeye gata maya na gata na aye choke na obi didi a na wakɔhwe ni rubber ni niam ade agu nti sa niam we nyina ma insu no ntimi nkɔ second so baby aye waterlock I was say insu fa no na krofa akoto asase amakoto hono no muso ma bet no mo sidan nti say insu ba with force baby I was say insu no fa na emfa na insu no pressure ni ba na start say rara krofo fie nti yesre adofo amoto asase no they say abasa no obia complaining aban emwai if the government take the right decision as a right step now no so as habet ani as the right step now by be fan say e was say omubu adan ni bi engu e was say aban no omubu adan ni bi engu ebusanfo enim de so wutwe ahimfa na owo e de ba deport na esi e wo na anye bia wo area no mu ye secure ana chewadwin e wo comment section anye bia wo say aban start say wubu dan ni bi egu ana se de ba deport na wo hwa e wo say aban no oye so and then first time I share video message so be subscribe to always multimedia na watch comment watch share wadwin ana so thought our comment section na say na they also say I was say aban ni ana say yetimam fo yanya na wo so why then why na his excellency President John Dramani Mahama can't invest will be near the onya so non tea.
Mr. Sayana. I want to say.
Alajo.
Ajayo.
Hey! Oh!
That's an enable, you know.
Oh! I go watch you. Don't say, I'm a cousin. I never be at all. I don't go to
Beer, a pint jump. We are brother.
We don't want Is that for a cash? love beer. God damn it. That's true.
Oh, yeah, mo. Oh, na pia ga ma bra ga je poka ga tum. Oh, mali wagu sebro wa ga je ga tum nyen lo. Wagu. Ah, ehi o, ehi, okumagbe. Oga ba na tum lo. Ala ma ya to ra tum. Oh, okumagbe mu nyuru atu na o. Nye ba ye bu awo. Nye bu awo. Oh, you kla pa ja nyu poka be. Oh,
We discovered many illicit dumping sites where the wetlands are. People have gone to create a waste dumping ground, and they charge 20 cedis for the aboboya to come and fill the waste into the wetlands. And when it has filled sufficiently, they sell the land to people to come and build on it. And so we need to, one, look at it from an engineering perspective in terms of how we can open up the channels, but at the same time, look at how we can identify all the um, buildings that are obstructing the waterways. We've said this many times, I'm tired of hearing it, but anytime you begin to take action and you start breaking houses, people think that government is inhumane. But when the problem arises like this flood, it affects everybody. And so all of us have been affected because of the conduct of a few people blocking the channels and preventing the water from passing. And so we'll call a National Security Council meeting. We're asking every district to identify, together with the Works and Housing Ministry, where the blockages in the channels are as they pass through the district assemblies, so that we can earmark those places for removal. We'll not only break the houses, we have to move the rubble out of the way, because there's no use breaking a house and leaving the rubble in the waterway. It's just the same as leaving the house. And so it's going to be quite a major issue in order to resolve the problem of Accra.